To continuing our lecture on physical world units and measurements, next topic is momentum. What is the definition for momentum? The product of mass and velocity is called momentum. The product of mass and velocity is called momentum. Momentum is indicated by letter. It is indicated by letter P. So momentum P is equal to mass into velocity. So mass into velocity here. Mass is measured in kg into velocity is measured in meter by second. What is the unit of velocity? Meter by second. So kg into meter per second is the unit of momentum. And one more thing, momentum formula also written as, according to Newton's second law, force is defined as rate of change of momentum. That means momentum is also called as force into time. So we had two formulas here, mass into velocity and force into time. Force into time also called as momentum. So this kg into meter per second. So this and this can be also written as unit of this one is also called as Newton into second. Kg into meter per second or Newton into second is a MK system of unit for MK system of unit for momentum. CGS system of unit for momentum is gram into centimeter per second or dyne into second or gram into centimeter second is a unit for momentum. So if you know the unit now, so whenever you know the unit, it is easy to write dimensional formula. So how to write dimensional formula? Dimensional formula is here kg. Kg represent what? Mass. Mass means represented as m. Meter is represented as L by second. Second is represented as T. That means how we got from this? M power 1, L power 1, T power minus 1. M power 1, L power 1, T power minus 1 is a dimensional formula for momentum. Next topic. This next impulse. So impulse, this concept is very important. Impulse is nothing but force acting on within short intervals of time. Best example, first I write definition, force acting short intervals of time. Force acting short intervals of time is called impulse. Force acting short intervals of time is called impulse. So impulse is denoted by J. So impulse J is equal to force into time. This is also equal to change in momentum. momentum. So impulse is equal to formula force into time, and it is also equal to change in momentum. Then how to write unit for impulse? Unit. So force is measured in Newton, into time is measured in seconds. Newton into second is the unit for impulse. So here observe carefully, momentum and impulse has both having same units. Whenever units are same, then dimensional formula also same here. So dimensional formula for impulse is same as that of momentum. What we got in momentum? Mass into velocity. Mass is represented as m. Velocity is represented as L t power minus 1. L t power minus 1. M power 1, L power 1, t power minus 1. M power 1, L power 1, t power minus 1 is the dimensional formula for impulse. Impulse is also called as change in momentum. So while we are using this impulse, so the best example is, if you traveling on a car, that car is moving on, that means uneven roads, that means so many slopes are there in a road, uneven roads. You should contain some more amount of that means pebbles means here stones. So that is uneven road. So and bike is moving on uneven road. In both cases, which we feel more comfort? We feel more comfort in car. Why? Because we feel more comfort in car here. So because the car should contain suspensions are more compared to that of bike. Here suspensions are nothing but shock absorbers. The best application for impulse is shock absorbers. Shock absorbs is the best example for best application for impulse. So then here observe carefully, force is inversely proportional to time. This is most important one. So based upon this formula only, shock absorbs will be designed here. So when we compare this car and bike, car will be more comfortable to us while we are moving on uneven road. Bike will be compared to car very less comfortness, because here in case of car, suspension capacity, that means shock absorbs capacity will be more here. That means whenever time increases, force will be decreases. Time is decreases, force will be increases. For example, another example, if a person catch the ball, while catching the ball, so we have to move our hands backside. Why we are moving hands backside? When we are moving our hands backside, that means we should feel less panic here. That means the pain will be less while moving hands backside. Because while we are moving hands backside, that means here time is increases. Means force is decreases. That means force is decreases means the impact of the ball on the hand will be decreases. That means here the pain will be decreases here. That means the best application for the impulse is shock absorbs, and while catch the ball, players will move his hands backside. That is also best example for impulse. This is whole thing about impulse. Next topic.